VERO Stock Analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. Venus Concepts, it's already $2.30. It's 0.5% down. And all that says that this is just one heck of a bearish market. When it pumps up, yes, I was open-minded to hopefully double down and get involved as long as there was like a confirmation. But the confirmation never did what I wanted to see. And guess what happened? We've cleared the lows out, which is... I mean, that's like no doubt what I was kind of expecting, but at least I was open-minded to the long side, and, you know, my hopes were not high for that. With all that to say is when I see the price just melting as such, all I'm going to say is that, like, if you ask me about Mr. Sickle, when is it going to be bullish in your eyes? Well, maybe if I see breaks above 256, which is not that far away from where we're now, but like everything else, just a bearish market for me. So I will obviously continue to keep you updated. You can see here I'm not sure if I have previous receipts. Yes, even in the Discord, but if you want to learn how I'm consistently making 5 to 10K per month, click the first link in the description and get my free emails.